Very good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today, 23rd October 2020. So let us see the crude oil call today. So if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to MST School of channel so that you will get our videos immediately. Whenever we are uploading the video, you will get the notification immediately. You will not skip any of our videos. And we kindly request you to subscribe, like and share our YouTube channel to maximum number of people so that we will reach the 1000 subscribers very soon. Once we reach 1000 subscribers, as we have promised you, we will release one paid strategy for free along with the training video. So come, let's go into our video today. So as we said, we have to enter the script name. Whichever you want to trade, we have to enter the script name. So type crude oil here in tradingview.com. Then select the current month. So after that, click here for full featured. Where you have to click? So here you have to click for the full features chart. So this area. So here you have to click for the full featured area. So I'm clicking. Now chart will appear. So once chart has come, then we have to add our indicator. We have to add our indicator. Since we are using 1 minute time frame, I have kept in 1 minute. So after that, what we have to do, we have to enable first buy and first sell. So I'm enabling first buy and first sell. So our first buy, our first sell is 3018. So here you can see 3018, but the market has not reached 3018 so far. So it is below the 3018. So once market is reaching 3018, there only we have to sell. And we have to keep the 3045 as the SL and the target will be 2991. So this is our first sell call. I repeat, the first sell will be activated at 3018 and the target will be 2991 and the SL will be 3045. This is the first sell. So market has now reached our first sell area. Still it is in between sell and the target. So now let us enable the first buy. So now what the first buy says, the first buy will be activated at 2982. So market has come down to 2992. If it is coming 10 points below, then our buy will be activated. And for the SL for the buy entry will be 2955 and the target will be 3009. It is almost like yesterday's second buy. Yesterday we had second buy from 2981 and the stop loss was 2955 and the target was 3008. So it got exactly done. Yesterday we achieved the second buy first target and second target almost done. Second target was 3030 and the high made was 3026. So we can consider almost done. Otherwise, no, first target only done. So this is our second buy, first buy and first sell over. Now let us see both the first buy and first sell together. For your convenience, I am showing both the first buy and first sell. See here. So first buy at 2982 and first sell at 3018. So none of the signal has got activated. So market is trading in between. So if it comes to 2982, we will go for buy. If it goes to 3018, we will go for sell. That's all. Very simple. And we will keep the SL and target and we will wait for either target or SL. If SL hit, what you have to do? Then we have to take the reverse entry from the SL point. We have to take the reverse entry from the SL point. Okay, very clear. And same SL, same stop loss, 27 point stop loss, 27 point SL. We have to keep. If you want to know exactly where is the point, then we have to select second buy and second sell. This, that's all. See here, I'm selecting second buy and second sell. So second sell will be activated at 2955 and the target will be 2929 and SL will be 2982. Second buy will be activated at 3045 with the SL 3017 for the target 3072. That's all. It's very simple. So please watch the video once, twice, or thrice until you understand properly. Then you can take trade. And this channel is only for the educational purpose channel, and we are not giving any trading recommendation. Before you trade, please consult your financial advisor, since we are not taking any reliability for your profit or loss. So hope you understand. And those who are not opened account with us, so kindly open the account with us. We have given the link with our partnership brokers. You will get lifetime free calls, along with every week or every month some free training will be given, so you can enjoy all those benefits. If you still have any doubts in this strategy, you can very well contact us in WhatsApp or Telegram. We will get back to you with the solutions. So once again, we request you to subscribe to our channel, like and share to as max as possible, so that we will reach a number of people. And the small traders, who are stuck in loss always, they will be benefited as well. So if you are following this strategy with the strict discipline, surely you will get a decent profit every month. So again, I'm telling, don't do gambling, do trading. So trading is a business, not gambling. So it becomes gambling when you are trading with a small capital and expecting a big profit. When you are trading with a big profit and expecting small profit, it becomes a business. And you can sustain in this market for longer period when you are trading in that way. If you are trading like gambling, that with the small capital and expecting big profit, then you cannot sustain in the market for more number of period. So that is very difficult. So this is what we have realized in our past experience. That's what we are sharing with you. So it's up to you whether you will take it or you will ignore it. It's just a friendly message. It's up to you. You can take it. Okay, thank you all. Stay back, stay tuned to have more such videos, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you will get immediate notification whenever we share the video. Thank you all. All the best. Wish you all happy, profitable day ahead.